Why prosecute a war in the middle of negotiations, in the middle of discussions on what ought to be done, at a time when the United Nations is sending inspectors to Iran for purposes of verifying whether they are complying? Why do this? And I believe that the UN Security Council will be summoned. Of course, the UN Security Council will say their piece, then there'll be vetoes and all. But Trump is capable of flipping over, depending on what the domestic situation is. If the midterm elections go against him, as I suspect they will, then he will, of course, think very differently. There are those who have said that he faces imminent impeachment proceedings against him. Because the Americans are now suffering throughout the world. We saw what happened in Islamabad when there was an attack by people who are demonstrating in Pakistan, and the Marines actually fired, and it's debatable as to whether it's the Marines who killed those who were killed. And this is going to happen in quite a number of countries. So America may be great again at home, if that is true, but it's becoming one of the most unpopular nations on earth. And I think many people who think that America should play a positive role in international affairs will say it is time to stop this and rethink. And it's time to stop the Israeli administration from fighting everybody on sight. Because the Israelis are fighting everybody on sight. When you think that the war is now being laser guided to focus on Iran, they are now in Beirut. And before you know it, they'll possibly be in Yemen. Before you know it, they'll possibly be in Jordan. So you cannot fight wars on such fronts. And even your supporters such as the US, the more they begin to suffer casualties and Americans begin to see coffins draped in the flag of the United States of America getting home, they'll begin to say no.